and welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. So my friends at yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey, and we have the study of reality stitch along blanket just for you. I gotta calm down the dogs so they're not yapping during my video, and we'll be right back in just a moment. The study of reality blanket was created while I was watching reality television. I know, what else am I going to do on a winter's evening here in beautiful Nova Scotia? And I was watching Traders with Alan Cumming and that whole train wreck of a cast, and being able to enjoy their drama while stitching away. Realistically though, the blanket only took me about 4 evenings in order to crochet it once I had the pattern established. It was using Bernat Super Value yarn and some colors that Daniel selected. Yarnspirations is going to have a kit that you'll be able to purchase, so you don't need to go on their website and pick all the colors. It's already done for you, but of course you can pick your own colors if you would like to see that as well. In the video description is a link. You'll be able to find more information about the pattern itself. The pattern will be available in 2 ways. The first way to get the pattern is just wait for the week-by-week instructions that come out. You'll have the written words plus the matching tutorial in order to follow along. That's going to be completely free and available through our website. But there's a second version that I'm giving you an option to skip the line and just get right to it, but there's even more in that. The second option is a paid download. This includes all the crochet diagrams that were provided with this particular pattern. Those take me weeks to do. Most of you know that I'm having issues with my arms, my wrists, and my hands. Our healthcare here in Canada pretty much covers everything, including doctors, the surgeries, all of that. But there are certain costs that I cannot avoid, which includes therapy. And so I'm using the therapy and the money that's being generated from the patterns in order to pay for the therapy. You'd be surprised how many people actually don't buy patterns. It's actually catching me by surprise. And in fact, I don't wear jewelry, but I'm wearing magnetic bracelets, which are giving me some pain relief at this time. So if you are interested in the paid download, you can start right away. You get the entire everything all up front, and when the videos come out, you'll be ready to go in case you need my help for that. So that's something that is a complete option for you. So that's it for now. We hope that you have a great one. We'll see you on the stitch along. It will be starting really soon, right guys? Right? Yay! Okay, we'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye. Oh, puppy dog. He's such a bully.